Hey
Hey
guys,
guys,
we are
we
back
are
again with another
back.
video and this time it is
Nagna
Nangna Helli
Heli.
and this is recommended too many times,
Yeah,
so now we
Pushparani
have to
song,
do it,
so
of course.
we have
And
to
it's a
react.
Pushparani song, and you
Let's
guys
go.
know that we love Pushparani. So
Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. What is happening?
I don't know, it's outside. Wizcraft Studios production.
Is this something
Pushparani.
witchcraft happening?
Wizcraft.
Witchcraft. Okay. It's not witch. Oh.
This guy looks too young
Yeah. He look like Harry Potter or
to
something.
be having an affair with
So
that.
I love the dresses also. The first one is white dress and
Yeah, I
this is
love the dress of her,
yeah.
but I'm not sure about the dress of him because
Okay, it's okay.
he looks like a corporate employee. Honestly, look at him. He looks like
Yeah,
a
yeah, yeah.
corporate employee. He's like,
But
okay,
it's fine.
I'm out of the office right now, so let's do some
Yeah.
romance, and then we will get home and eat something, and then sleep, and then wake up again, and then go again out to the office, and it's like that only.
Guys, they look so good
This is
actually.
just my opinion,
Opinion,
honestly.
okay.
I think he could have been looking much more better with a fine nice printed shirts,
Yeah, yeah.
like half shirts or maybe full shirts, I don't know, but there should be some prints or
Yeah.
maybe some t-shirts
T-shirts.
like this, you know,
Like this.
like this. It would have been
And
his
he's wearing
lip
okay
gloss.
lip gloss. Okay, guys, it's okay. It's now mainstream.
You know, you need to keep your lips moisturized
Yeah,
because it
yeah.
cracks. If it cracks, it doesn't look good. So you need to
I'm
moisturize
using
your
my.
lips.
I'm
It
impressed.
is really nice. Like the
The
way.
fast pace.
Yeah, the fast
Background
pace
score
and
with
also
the
her voice
voice ups
up
and
down. It's just really
Terrific.
nice.
I
Like
nev-
let's hear it again. Let's hear
yeah.
it again. Ah,
Ooh, this part.
honestly, it takes
Really?
the heart away. Takes the heart
I
away.
love this.
It's really good.
Oh,
Oh, it all happened in one coffee date.
yeah. Love at first sight, guys.
Yeah.
Love at first coffee. Ooh. Actually, she looks older than him.
Yeah, it does, no?
Yeah.
He looks too young for
Too
this.
young for her.
If it was my mother and he would have seen him, she would say that go study, don't do all of this. Later in life, you will get more. She's a
Love this song, man.
Love the
Outstanding
song.
job, guys.
outstanding job.
And I think they do done great job choosing location, and the background and the dress also looks so good. And
Like this thing
Pushparani,
is
hats
phenomenal.
off.
Pushparani is phenomenal.
And
I loved
someone
her.
commented that Pushparani is Shreya Ghoshal of Manipur.
Yeah, truly.
But Pushparani, I think Pushparani is Pushparani. It's one of a kind, man. Love
Yeah,
it.
truly. She's one of a kind. Shreya Ghoshal is
Another
another.
one.
But they both are phenomenal.
Yeah,
Let's not compare things.
I'm not comparing.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Let's not compare them. They are just
Thank
them
you, guys,
differently,
whoever
individual.
commented this song to
Thank
react.
you. Like
Thank you.
seriously, this
Thank
is
you
really
very
good.
much.
They both are phenomenal in their position, and I love that for them.
Yeah.
I can't sing. I'm just a bathroom singer, and
Me too.
when I'm in the bathroom does the auto tuning for me because you know in bathroom, like it can be hard like
Yeah.
like
Thank
the
you. So bye bye. Have a great day and be positive in your life. And those who are new, please subscribe.